All right, hi, welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. Hey, I just wanted to do this quick video. Happy Saturday, everybody. Quick video on federal civil rights complaints. Okay, your federal civil rights, that's like your First Amendment, your Second Amendment, other amendments to the Constitution. These constitutional claims that arise, as you can see here, under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. U.S.C. stands for United States Code. Perfect. All right, so I don't totally recommend this form. This is a form from the United States District Court, Central District of California. Usually it's best if you get a lawyer. A lot of these statutes are going to, these claims are going to have attorney fee awards, so it does make sense. But if you're getting to the end, the statute of limitations is coming up, and you go like, I got to get this thing on file, this is a form, at least in the Central District, that you can look to filing just to preserve your rights so you don't blow the statute of limitations. I haven't checked other courts. I'm assuming that they have something very similar. But here, let's take a look. So you can see how easy this is to assert a claim, okay? Put your name, this, that, the other, address. There won't be a case number when you file. You'll get that once the case is filed and you pay the fee. Plaintiff, defendant, and then there's a little talk here about any other lawsuits while in federal court, because there are claims for unlawful arrest and imprisonment, things that you can bring as a prisoner. So that is part of this form. And it talks about who was in the prior lawsuit, things like that. Here's something I wanted to hit on. I haven't talked about in any of my videos. Exhaustion of administrative remedies. What's that? Some statutes will require you to exhaust your administrative remedies before you file a lawsuit, okay? So there may be certain, you may have to go to the Equal Opportunity Board and file a claim and go through their process and get a right to sue letter, so forth, things like that, okay? So you need to make sure you're always exhausting your administrative remedies before you go to court, or the court could dismiss your case saying you didn't exhaust your administrative remedies. Sorry, I'd love to hear your case, but you didn't follow the procedure. So in my experience, pro se plaintiffs will get a little more leeway, but then again, the federal judges will say, you know, I can't play favorites here. You do have to follow the rules everybody else follows. So bear that in mind. A little notice about the jurisdiction, you know, defendants' information, things like that. Okay, so it's a very simple form. This one, it happens to be fill-in, and talks a little bit about this. Then it just gets down to your claim, and they just want it in your own words. What happened, no citing legal cases, just tell us what happened, give us the facts, what are your claims? And these 42 U.S.C. 1983 claims, it can take a lot of different forms. It can be violation of your First Amendment free speech rights. It could be violation of your due process rights, equal protection under the law, disability or racial discrimination, things like that, okay? And also, very important these days, your First Amendment violations. I don't think we have seen more First Amendment violations in this day than we do in this day and age. So you set forth your claim, any facts that you have, any state the facts clearly in your own words. Here it says, without citing legal authority, be certain to you describe in separately numbered paragraphs exactly what each defendant did by name to violate your rights. So there it is. Request for relief. What do you want? Money, injunction, apology letter. What do you want? And then you sign, date it, file it, and there you have it, preserving your federal rights. And again, this is Federal District Court in California. This is Form CV 66. So look for that there. Again, if you're down in San Diego, if you're in the Bay Area, if you're in Arizona, things, you know, they may or may not have this form. So I like it, but I hope you know that this is just a good, handy tool if the statute of limitations is about to run and you want to preserve your claim. And then try to go find a lawyer that would help you in one of these claims. So good luck. Hope that's helpful. General legal information only, not legal advice. Have a great day. AttorneySteve.com. Civil litigation. You know where to find us on the web at AttorneySteve.com. The first name in legal services. Gotta run. Bye-bye.